All right, another weather update. Southwest Atlanta. You know, I'm not from around here, but I've been here 10 years. This is like a big deal every time it happens. Every time it happens, school shut down. It's like an inch. It ain't even an inch. You know, by tomorrow it'll probably be gone. It's not dangerous. I just saw the cops stop someone, and this is such an anomaly for this area that these silly police officers think they're supposed to stop you because you're driving in a small amount of snow. Now, it may in fact be a hazard of some kind since people aren't accustomed to it, right? But I don't think there's any statutes against it. It's just the cops or law enforcement taking. It's just stupid cops. But the video isn't about stupid cops. The video is about snow in Atlanta. Yeah, snow in Atlanta. That's what it's all about. Let it snow. So it's pretty cool. But as you can see, look, here's a dry spot. You never see this in New Jersey, New York. When it snows, it snows. But it's kind of an interesting scene. Now here's a ridiculous person going by. See that? They're going by way faster. They went by way faster than it looks like they were driving. You can't do that. You can't drive that fast in this snow around here with these people. If you slam on brakes, you're gonna skid. You know? So it's a pretty dull video. Went in my mouth. Snow went in my mouth. But anyway, I wanted to do this. I did one when we had the tropical storm. This is a little more eventful than the storm. But look at it, it's coming down. It's coming down. I think just last week it got up to 70 degrees. 70 degrees. All right, there's somebody out there raking the snow. Anyway.